We all dream about living the dream, but very few of us actually know what the dream is, including us. Here's our adventure into discovering it.
Welcome to our channel. Hi, I'm JB.
And I'm Tash. Welcome back to our Paris apartment where we're going to be doing our full renovation. We made our coffee table a few days ago in New York, which is the south of Paris. So that is basically what I want to create, right? Are you still there? We got the wooden pieces and I still need to order the legs from Amazon. But yeah, so I have 2 big planks of wood which has been cut to the size that I want to create, which is 80 by 30. So let's make a coffee table. Today we bought some some stuff for our coffee table. So I can show you here, we got some wood. And along that's going to be a shelf, some more pieces, and then some random stuff that we're busy dealing with. We have some space in the south of France to do some proper renovation work, where when we're in Paris it's just a little bit too small. So we thought, okay, well, let's do some proper table making. So hi.
Hey. Hello, ma'am.
He bought new drill bits today. Oh, sorry, new drill, new tools.
As you can see, we have the new toys with the old toys.
So tell us what you bought.
This is my new toys, and this is my grandparent toys. You can see the difference.
Wow,
50 years old, 1 hour old.
I wonder if this even works.
That's all the.
That's the question.
The purpose of now is first see if it works. It doesn't. Bye.
First, we need to varnish. I'm gonna stick you here. JB's gonna make some noise. It is in French, as usual, but it is supposed to be transparent. But I just want to check it on our extra pieces to make sure that it is what we're looking for, because we don't want to waste money on wood. I'm not 100% sure if I'm doing this correctly. It's almost like decoupage. You can see it a little bit like snotty like. Okay, let's try. I don't know. Okay, well, we've done one piece and I guess we're gonna have to leave it overnight and see what happens. But I'm really not sure about that varnish. Let's see. Stay tuned. And see you tomorrow morning. This morning we have gone to go and get some varnish, which you can see over here.
Where?
It's gonna cut to a new video. And now we're going to varnish the wood and start assembling the coffee table. But we have a coffee table, a work table, and a frame to varnish today. So let's see how that goes. It is Sunday, it's nice and quiet, having my coffee, and we are busy assembling the table. So I'm just going to put you on fast forward, basically. I'm impressed. Can't wait to try my coffee table. So that was successful, and now we're going to go and get some food, and then not sure what we're gonna do for the rest of the day. Maybe go for a hike. Alright, chat later. Bye. So I am now just gonna make some sandwiches. Whoa, I think I got a bit of color. Excuse my sexy hat. Scale of 1 to 10, what's my baguette skill like?
9.53.
That's very precise.
Oh yeah, wow. You talk about baguette and cheese.
I'll put your special ingredient in there.
Oh no.
Thought you'd be proud of me. And we have decided that we need to now build all the IKEA stuff. We just got back, it was about 7 hours drive, but let's get this shit going. So I think the first start, or the first setup, is the bed. Are you ready? Let's do this. Getting there. We're gonna see some disasters. Oh my goodness, look at this craziness.
Knife with getting a lot of finger, you just like chop it up. You have to be ready for every option when you deal with IKEA or something.
Yeah. We have finally finished the coffee table and we got the Amazon legs. So I wanted to quickly show you the final product. It's so pretty. I'm very happy with it. And it's great as a feet stand. Stoked. I think we're finished.
Yeah, we're almost finished. They said 99%.
Okay, so would you like a tour?
Yes, so.
Yeah? JB, are you gonna do us the honors?
Let's go.
Okay.
So let's start with the coffee stand table, and the one which we almost lost a finger, Tash almost lost hairs, and a lot of things happen.
Lots of gray.
Thank you, IKEA. It's just a TV stand.
I like your slippers, my love.
Yeah.
Oh, we're talking about the TV stand.
TV stand,
the
yeah.
coffee table.
No, the coffee table is...
Oh yeah.
The TV stand was... it doesn't look... Plus the painting. plus the frame on the wall, plus the plant. That's choosing.
What is the plant's name?
Monster.
And we got a new carpet.
Yeah, that go very perfectly well with the coffee table.
With the coffee table and with the wall and everything. And tell us more.
The couch also?
The couch.
That you did.
We're going to flip onto how the couch is made into a bed. If you ever want to come visit us, we have the couch.
Kitchen also is finally done. Cheers. Kitchen. The walking station, very functional.
Yeah.
The gym, like you can walk gym.
So I feel that the apartment is now all one bedroom, one room for everything.
Done.
You had to show off your
Exercise
skills.
done. Also the bedroom, the bed is down, everything has been purchased, the side lamps, the wall is painted, frame is attached, the light is mounted. The second desk.
So, my mistake. I thought it was a little bit higher and would be on top of the radiator, but I miscalculated, I think, 3 centimeters. And we had to cut out this little piece from the table. So now we've got kind of like, it'll be nice in winter, I think. It's going to be nice and warm in this little spot. Do some writing and editing and the new bathroom. I'm very happy with this bathroom. Right, another little plant, which doesn't have a name, maybe Bubbles. And yeah, we got now a washing machine. Thank you washing machine. I'm very happy with how much. I'm not a fan of taking my clothing.
Yeah, it's very difficult to see.
Okay, so we just wanted to wrap it up and show you how pretty the apartment turned out. Are you happy, my love?
Yes, after 2 months and $20,000 million euro spent.
No, we did it pretty well on a budget. It's still not cheap. Stay tuned. We'll see you on our surf trip.
Yes, now it's time to go surf.
I think we deserve it. Bye.
Bye.